Sharpening a video is vital if you want a punchier and more vibrant look in your video footage. Thanks to the AI technology, sharpening videos has become easier. AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI is such an excellent AI-powered video sharpening tool. Here is how to sharpen videos by AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. It helps sharpen blurry videos and enhance videos quality while upscaling blurry videos to 1080p, 4K, and 8K. Add a blurry video to AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI. You can see the detailed parameters of the source video here. Just choose the AI upscaler model and select the standard option. Select the output video size, we choose 4K here. Select the output video format. Move the cursor over the video to get a preview of 30 seconds. Now, click on the Start Processing button to sharpen the blurry video. Zoom out to see the details. Click this icon to get a preview of the blurry video and sharpened video side by side. Done. Let's check the sharpened and upscaled 4K video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please click subscribe.